My name is Richard Stockford. I'm a young entrepreneur currently in the process of developing and introducing a new trade to our industry. And the topic in discussion today is pipeline safety programs. This will be called the Drain Waste Ventilation Stockford Contaminate Pipeline Shells. It's going to be used for many programs. It's a ventilated pipeline structure to properly secure pipeline systems. Breathable units to allow and release the pressure in and hold back fluid in faulty pipeline airs, maintaining and containing and controlling lost fluid product in the event of a mechanical pipeline error, involving engineering that will adapt to pipeline systems, planned to be exercised and disciplined in many formats, protecting and preserving products and services, from drinking water, crude oils, and many more toxic fluid. Abrasives. Fluid is very important to everyday life and how it's transferred. The program's main goal is to save the cost on cleanup by capturing product, releasing pressure in the event of mechanical pipeline errors. The ventilated system will be designed to release pressure and trap product, abrasives, and fluid chamber until air is isolated and stabilized, giving the time needed to shut down and properly maintenance system. I'm currently seeking to get assistance with the development company I first started with, Davis and Invention. New and inventive ways that is useful for today's modern age state-of-the-art pipeline that shall adapt to our society. I'm reaching out for priority and focus, guidance, development and protection of my trade rights secrets, investors, and funding to move forward with my projects. I'm reaching out to you. I'm here today to talk about my method to improve the way to properly transfer fluids in an environmentally safe manner. My invention is a new method to prevent spills and promote pipeline safety that raises a great awareness and should not be pushed away, as it is very educational and a learning experience. Health and safety awareness in all areas. Meaning, if there is a preventable action that can be taken, the government should be taking action and accountability to help promote moving development forward. This is a team effort. It will take care of our countryside, put people to work, and save fluid transfer cost. These actions happen primarily due to poor maintenance. Below ground, for example, small leaks that cannot be identified eventually turns into major problems without recognition. So this will be a full visual of any mechanical errors. These spills impact woodslands, farmers, lakes, rivers, wetlands, wildlife, and our homes. When you place something in the ground that is not properly maintained, designed, or engineered, major errors are bound to occur. In my view, this method is out of date because of any derailment. Tankers and pipelines provide little return on lost product, leaving a huge carbon footprint. Waterways are also being contaminated by human waste, costing billions of dollars and impacting billions of liters of water. By not having properly functionable units, it's very careless in my view. My design can be used for putting in a solid securement system for fluid transfer via pipelines. The technology can be used for the whole length of the pipeline projects and will allow for required shutdowns between facilities, having more regulatory maintenance and up-to-date satisfaction. In the case of trains, rather than a pipeline, you have the risk of ignition and fluid loss and derailments. My system will eliminate these rail risks. Safety is vital when properly transferring dangerous goods, and my invention provides that railways shipments an up-to-date demand. My multi-purpose plan for my system is as follows. It will allow the import and export oil within our nation and beyond, including Alberta to New Brunswick to the USA, worldwide refineries without pipeline leaks, derailments, or spill reports. It will create jobs and reduce environmental damage by allowing work crews to maintain these pipelines in proper time. It will move pipeline projects ahead in sensitive areas, making these environmentally friendly projects. Pipelines will be easier to maintain as they can contain lost product in the event of mechanical pipeline failure. My drain waste ventilation Stockford contaminant pipeline shell is geared to be fully ventilated pipeline structure to properly secure pipeline systems, built for minor problems to prevent major issues. It will allow needed time for shutdowns, giving workers and engineers more confidence in pipeline maintenance. It will save cost on cleanup with the reuse of lost product. Improvements and enhancements will be made between my design firm Davison Engineers and corporations to determine the cost of projects, because there's many materials, many operations this can be used for. This is only one example. So you have your drain, waste, ventilation, a secure system to properly secure pipelines containing contaminant fluids. This can have many different outlooks. This is just a basic idea. Shell and pipeline, properly maintaining lost product via pipeline systems. The drain waste ventilation Stockford contaminant pipeline shell, varying and depending on the direction of the pipeline size, pressure, schedule. This will also vary on pipe and shell materials, what you want to use. The outlook and design will honestly have many different designs and outlooks due to so many different pipeline projects, dealing with different terrain environment for the engineering that will be put into place to adapt to the goods and services it will be applying for. With numerous pipeline instruments and material product being moved will affect future architectural designs and development for which assignment the projects will be assisting. Original basic structure view will have different applications. Components can and will change primarily due to numerous fluid products, pipe fitting connections, pipeline schedule sizes, pressure rating, assembly program, can allow hose connections versus pipelines. You don't have to use pipeline, you can use hose connections, PVC. There's a lot of options you can use in this world. It's a material world. The unwritten rule, the shape, the size, the venting system, traffic, wildlife bypass, man hatches can all be rearranged to fit the project needs. Materials can all vary due to the pipeline size, connection for what is being transferred in the pipeline. This can also be mobile or permanent placement. Existing and non-existing pipelines. For existing and non-existing pipelines. So if they're above the ground, you could build one of these units for a pipeline that's already built above the ground to prevent leaks to our environment. The DWVS-CPS will stand as its own separate structure, completing pipeline projects. Secured pipeline instruments acting as a backup plan, which this should be originally how pipelines should be made. This is more than a backup plan. My ventilated pipeline structure's main assets is that it can clean up these spills by capturing lost product by releasing pressure in the invented mechanical pipeline airs. Of course, this can be single or multi-purpose, as ESD valves and instruments can be set in place to aid and isolate the process. This will make engineering pipelines more successful. This tackles produced water facilities, toxic chemicals, oil companies, and many more, promoting movement in pipeline industries, giving people jobs while protecting the environment and resources. With a proper investors, it will help us all move forward towards a successful future for a new way to promote and protect a state-of-the-art goal for pipeline safety. From clean drinking water to oil spills, this shows an act of appreciation and should not go unrecognized. 790 million people go without drinking water daily. They are counting on technology like this to not waste such valuable, priceless material. Water is more valuable than oil. This raises a huge red flag for health and safety awareness. This means a lot to a lot of people that are in dire need for clean drinking water. Pipeline Protection Safety Program protects and preserves H2O safety of natural habitat and everyday lifestyle. I thank you all for your support. Followed by my PowerPoint presentation next. This should give a wide view of basic project plans. What it needs to carry out a strong compassion for a positive pipeline future. Also, oil spills, I quote, oil spills can have disastrous consequences for society, including economically, environmentally, and socially. Because of these accidents have indicated intense media attention and political uproar, in many cases bringing many together in a political struggle concerning government response to oil spills. Something needs to be done to solve this concern. My system will prevent these concerns from happening in the first place. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Thinking green, being concerned for our future. Thank you. My name is Richard Evan Stockford. This is my new state-of-the-art pipeline safety.
Now you want to turn this off.